Hello guys, in previous class we draw a rectangle water tank. So we should see the shear force and bending moment for all the shear forces we can see here. And next go to the here, and here we can see the axial force of the mm, y direction. This is my z direction. Axial force is the shear force. Here we can see here axial force is this color, red maroon color, and y is a shear force you can see. And here we can see the shear force of the z direction. Here we can see the total play all. Okay, we can see here animation, reflection, apply. Okay, we can see here reflection, apply. Okay, there was added only two loads, so that's why we hitting here. This is my lead load. This is my beam structure. We can see the bending moment here. This is my bending moment of z direction. This is my bending moment of x direction. This is the maximum bending moment. This is my shear force. Next, okay, these are the values of. Okay, next go to the animation and click on deflection, apply here. We can see here little much deflection will be available at the dead load, and this is a live load. Here we can see the deflection. Here also some deflection are acting here. And next section displacement. Okay, see here displacement will be acting on it. Next we want to go to the foundation design and click on foundation design. Here including all, you should all load places we should run in the start from structure foundation, and click on the run start foundation. Click on it. It will be available here. It will be directly opening the structure of the how many footings, how many footings will be available, and we can calculate here. First of all, we should select the load. Here loads and factor load. In left side, in loads and factors will be available, and click on it here. And here general loads combination will be available, and click on it. It will be opening like this. Foundations loads combination will be available. It will be replaced as the name Indian, because I was selected IS code is Indian standard, so that's why I will select here Indian. And here directly we can generate the load combination and click on OK. Here also generate combinations and click on OK. This is the Indian foundation. So next we should here close it, and next here we can in right side we get the loads combinations. We'll see here how many load cases are available here. You can see here like this. We should see here how many reaction will be available here. We can see these are loads discussion, and go to the job setup and create a job here. This is my water tank. water tank of rectangular. Okay, you see, this is my rectangle. Here we can go to the select the load all cases. We should select it. This is the load cases, and here we should click on create a job here. And in left side isolate footing jobs will be available, and click on it, and here next step design parameters will be available, and click on design parameters, and we can see here how many you can any footings are not available here. We can here replace them, we can edit here also. This is the cover soil. We can, this is the elevations water, and this is the footing geometry. This is the footing geometry, and this is the overturning running. Here we can see here. Next click on design, and click on S1. We'll wait for the foundations. How many footings will be available here? We can see it. Okay. Here 28 footings are available here. This is my footing elevation plan, total structure. This is my first. This is the 17th footing of footing. Here we can see here like this. We can see this is the sheet. Here we axial force and shear force, z direction, shear force x direction, z direction, where momentum of x, momentum of z we can see here, and applied load strength level. This is the applied load strength level, and this is the final footing sizes. Then it will be available in the feet. This is the pressure at four corners, which rectangle is there now. That's why we have 4 rectangle corners. This is the pressure force. Pressure 1 corner, pressure 2, pressure 3, pressure 4. This is the pressure corners, 4 sizes, and like this will be calculated again. What we given the sizes of the beam structure, plate thickness, we will be giving the values here. We can easily find it here. Next we should go to the GA. This is the footing of the footing, and this is the size. This is the columns, number of columns here. We will get see here, we get it here, and this is the structure. How many columns will be, number of columns will be added here. We can see it, and in detailing drawing will be available here. Here we can see this is the elevation of the water tank of rectangle structure, and This is the column size what we given the in previous we given the previous plan. So and you can see here schedule. This is the 14 column number of columns here, and here column present in 1 feet, how many feet will be present in the column size. This is the foundations, this is the cover drive, this is the angle reinforcement here we can see here, or reinforcement here. And, the drawing was completed. So this is my footing sizes of the water tank of a rectangle structure.